Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And this is Tricks and Tips with Uspe. Today I'll be showing a very exciting video. I'll be doing a video that is based on a blender. Let me get a box, okay? So today I'll be putting this bad boy blender on the test, simply because of what the salesman said to us when we got this blender. There's a story behind this blender, right? So a couple of months ago during winter we decided, okay, let's buy a blender because I feel like this is the best time to get the best prices. Why? Because no one is concerned about making smoothies in winter. So we're like, okay, let's go to Game, browse, choose which blender is gonna be suitable for us. And then we found a salesperson. So this guy said some interesting things, okay? He was like, you guys really need to get this blender. You guys, like, because we told him, listen, we are the first time buyers of your blender, not ashamed. There's the first time to everything. So we told him, listen bro, we are the first time buyers with blender. We need a blender, a basic blender basically, because we just need to blend and make smoothies, that's all. And then he was like, no, you guys, you're gonna need this one. Listen, you need this blender for multiple reasons. This blender can blend, of which is a basic thing why we need a blender. This blender can also grind spices, grind your coffee beans, grind anything that you want to grind. And this blender can make a whipped cream. I was like, bro, this blender can make a whipped cream. There is no ways. So we bought the blender simply because the brand is, it appears to be this is not a review. Also, this video is not sponsored, but the brand appeared to be amongst the best brands in terms of quality. So we decided, okay, let's take this blend. And me personally, I just wanted to experiment if this guy was telling the truth. But anyways, this is the blender. Let me show you guys the actual blender. Okay guys, so I have the blender with me. This is the blender, right? This is the blender. It's a pretty big blender. It has its own advantages, I won't lie to you. One of the advantages is that it can never blend if the lid is not tight closed. So there's a way you actually close the lid for it to blend, even if we even if you are ready to blend your fruits, but it will never blend if your lid is not closed. That prevents a lot of things, spilling, cutting your fingers and all of that. And then it has 6 blades, best thing ever. 6 blades, and it can blend up to, it can fill up to 7 cups. So you can imagine how big this jar is. The grinder, also the grinder has, this is the thing, this is the grinder, right? It has like 4 blades. And then there's this accessory. So this is what they claim makes a whipped cream. So we're gonna put this and this blender on a test if this thing can really like make a whipped cream. But before we make a whipped cream, can you just watch a YouTube video on how to make a whipped cream? Because I honestly don't know how to make a whipped cream. I know. But whilst you guys are here, please do subscribe. Please give this video a huge thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Tell them to come and see how to make a whipped cream using a blender. And also just comment down below. Just say whatever you want to say. Anything, honestly. But be respectful, obviously. But just say anything. Girl, you look cute. The blender is nice. The blender is not working. We are about to find out if the blender is really gonna make a whipped cream or not. But please do subscribe, hit that notification bell, and yeah. So guys, it turns out that if you want to make a whipped cream, you should have cream, and I have milk and sugar and eggs. We're gonna use what we have, of which is milk. This is full cream milk, so maybe it should work. So I tried to make a second angle for you guys. Just to be sophisticated, I'm gonna remove these accessories. No, we're gonna need this. And then we're gonna use milk, right? So this is just the milk I'm using, full cream milk. I don't know this brand. Also, I don't know how long should it take, like to turn turn cream into a whipped cream. Like I don't know. So I'm just gonna increase this blending speed, basically the whipping speed, and yeah. Okay guys, it's been 2 minutes, right? Still nothing. Oh, goodness, smoke. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is how the thing looks. You know, in my bubbles. One thing for sure, it's in my bubbles, but it's not a whipped cream. That's one thing for sure. Again, it's not a whipped cream, but it has some sort of bubbles. So I'm thinking, let's be naughty and do it our own way. So I'm gonna put the egg white inside and then blend it for 2 minutes with an egg white. So yeah, I hope the second angle is still working, guys. Abantu ababhakayo ngicela ningangijudge ne. Egg white ne, not the actual yolk. That shows ukuthi sekune egg white. So let's try blend it for 2 minutes. Okay guys, it's been blending, I don't know for how long, but we don't have a whipped cream. I don't know if my fault was to use milk, but this is like full cream milk. I know they said cream, but this is like full cream. Also, like, it's milk, but it's full cream. Whatever, they said cream, I used full cream milk. What is the difference? I don't know. Maybe next time I'm gonna try whipping using cream, the actual cream. But EBC, the milk that we used, has bubbles. It had bubbles before if I like the egg white. It has bubbles, even more bubbles with an egg white. I was just hoping that the egg white will, you know, make it thick, make it whippy, you know. I don't know what's the right word, but anyways, it blended as a Bennett. It said to make whipped cream, but it didn't for me. So Bennett, but Bennett, if you see this video, please consider your girl. Maybe 6 months down the line, just sponsor the video. I don't mind, honestly. I really, like, you guys don't have to, but like, I really don't mind. Yeah, so that is it from me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We were disappointed, but obviously our test was not truthful because we didn't use cream. But if you enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. Comment down below, just say your dance moves, girl. Please teach me how to dance, guys. I can't dance. what else should I say? Subscribe, hit that notification bell, comment, leave your comments, invite your friends, share my YouTube channel, please. Share the video, share it with your friends, share with everyone, please. Thank you so much. That is it from me. Bye.